It's 7 a.m. This is our breakfast. We're gonna go on a long motorbike ride today, like 7 hours or something. It's the longest we've ever ridden a motorbike. So hopefully we don't die.
Going over another
We were headed to Tumpak Sewu Waterfall. All the tours going there were way too expensive, so we were going to take our rented motorbike all the way from Cemorolawang through Probolinggo and all the way around Bromo, Tengger, Semeru National Park, stopping by the waterfall on the way. Join us as we try to navigate the busy streets of Indonesia on our first long-distance motorbiking trip.
We're in the Probolinggo town.
We're back here at the motorcycle shop. This cat is huge and fluffy. This chicken is also huge. Okay, we just finished getting our stuff. Time to add some gas.
You have to do right.
Same thing.
Alright, we're on our way to Malang first, and then eventually the waterfall. There's Billy in the back. Beautiful day. Woo! Gotta be at least 2 more hours until the city. And then 2 more to the waterfall.
I can't believe we found you.
There's only one gas station in town.
We're at a gas station because Billy's motorbike seemed to run out of gas for some reason. Oh, no pictures. Oh, there's gonna be a train. Motorbike parking in the mall.
Yeah.
This is a really slow platform. It's always fun going to malls in like these countries. Got some hair ties. Yoshinoya up there. Got myself some new shoes because my old ones are giving me blisters. Eiger, tropical adventure. All right, time to find food. This is Yoshinoya in Indonesia. They have a view. We're here at Kimukatsu for some Japanese food in Indonesia. Oh, this is our frozen gyukatsu currently. And it's right here. We just put it on? we don't take off?
Put it on the paper. Ooh. Oh,
There's cheese in the katsu. Oh,
awesome.
I didn't know. It's like bubbling
Ready?
now. Wow, it looks really good actually. Oh yeah.
it's like cheese bread.
It's a truffle.
Yeah.
It's good actually. Tastes fishy to you?
No, I just thought maybe it doesn't taste like meat at all. Like maybe tofu.
Time for a coconut shake. Okay, back on the motorbike. We're gonna go see the colored houses. Okay, these are the colorful houses. Look at this. What? This guy here is flying a kite, and the kite is like really far away.
We don't even know where it is.
Like somewhere over there. One of these kites. We're done taking our photos. It's time to go to the waterfall. I just peed in something that I don't really know if it was a toilet or not. Time to leave. Oh, I got it. It's raining again. It's just like the last time we did.
It's raining really hard.
He's getting rained on. Okay, Ali's driving again because I can't see a thing because it's raining and the rain hits my glass. That's Billy over there. We're behind him now. See, you belong with me. Oh Lord, so why can't you see? You belong with me. We're almost here at our homestay for the night after a very long day of driving. We're here, but Billy has an issue with his motorbike. Right, here we are. Finally made it. Oh, right here. Yeah. This is the room. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. And there's a private bathroom. All right, we're trying to find some food. Okay, we're too lazy, so we're just gonna have instant noodles.